Guess what today is? Today is day 5. Are you guys excited? Are you excited like I am? We have 7 more days after this, so let's go ahead and get started. The winner for day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas KAL is none other than Funtrella. Funtrella had an Instagram post and she knitted the cutest socks ever. So let's see what she has won. Funtrella, you are going to win both skeins of this sparkly purple yarn. It is by Yuru and it is sugared sport. So it's a sport weight yarn. It's 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. And it is one of my favorite knit pick items I've ever received. And I'm giving it away. Oh, how exciting. So I hope you love the color purple. You will also be receiving, and I hope you are a tea drinker. If not, I am sure that you know someone that is a tea drinker. So these were donated by a friend of the podcast. She gave a bunch of different teas. So we have Fire Pot is the name brand of the tea. And one is called Cult of Flowers, which is hibiscus rose blend. And the other one is, I don't know if it's Assam black tea. And it's Temple of the Sun. So you will be receiving those in the mail as well. And last but certainly not least, of course, which is what I always have been saying, we have this beautiful white zippered bag. It's kind of almost actually a cream color. It's showing white on the camera probably. But if you will get in contact with me and let me know what you would like printed on this bag, I will do that for you and try to get that out to you by the end of this week. So congratulations, Funtrella, on winning day number 5, and we will see you tomorrow.